Dogs can eat a wide variety of foods, but there are some foods that they should avoid as they can be harmful or toxic to them. Here are some foods that dogs should avoid. 1. Chocolate. Chocolate contains theobromine, which can be toxic to dogs and can cause vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, and even death in severe cases. 2. Grapes and raisins. These foods can cause kidney failure in dogs. 3. Onions and garlic. These foods contain compounds that can damage a dog's red blood cells and cause anemia. 4. Avocado. Avocado contains a toxin called persin, which can cause vomiting and diarrhea in dogs. 5. Alcohol. Even small amounts of alcohol can be toxic to dogs and can cause vomiting, diarrhea, difficulty breathing, and even death. 6. Caffeine. Caffeine can cause restlessness, rapid breathing, heart palpitations, and muscle tremors in dogs. 7. Raw or undercooked meat and eggs. These foods can contain harmful bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli, which can cause food poisoning in dogs. Cooked bones can splinter and cause blockages or tears in a dog's digestive system. So, carefully check before giving cooked meat. 8. Fatty foods. Fatty foods such as bacon, sausage, and fried foods can cause pancreatitis, a potentially life-threatening condition, in dogs. 9. Macadamia nuts. These can cause lethargy, vomiting, hyperthermia, and tremors in dogs. 10. Xylitol. This sugar substitute is commonly found in sugar-free gum, candy, and baked goods. It can cause insulin release, leading to hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, seizures, liver failure, and even death. Overall, it's best to stick to a balanced and nutritious diet that is specifically formulated for dogs, and to avoid feeding them any human foods unless recommended by a veterinarian. If you suspect that your dog has ingested any toxic or harmful foods, contact your veterinarian immediately. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now for more videos.